What's up, YouTube? It's back to me again. It's Ben, and today I got a new unboxing for you guys, and it is a pair of the latest Predator, Adidas Predator Elite folded tongue in size 10.5 US. And I know this is a very rare cleats. It's been sold out everywhere since the first release. And I was lucky enough to get this from Dick's Sporting Goods. It is like a black colorway with the red folded tongues. So this is just pick up information. Here you go, guys. Here are 2 pair of Adidas Predator Plus folded tongue, and it comes with a very normal Predator box, but not like the one with the sliding box like before, but the red versions does come with it. So I got so it comes with the Predator string bags in black with bright orange and red string with the red Predator logo on it, with the red Adidas logo. Nothing on the back. Box away, and here you go, guys. This is a pair of Adidas Predator Elite Plus folded tongue. So the colorway is black, solar red, bright orange with neon yellow. I really like the versions, and also like the limited editions, the red ones, all red colorway. The reason I bought this because I want to feel what the folded tongues looks like. It's been a while. Like back then I used to wear that, but I changed that a lot, so now I want to feel how it feels to wear this again. So the outsole contains like the Predator logo with a very shiny materials. It's gonna wear off when I play. And then the upper is a Hybrid Touch 2.0 with the logo Predator, with a very nice folded tongue with the rubber band. So they got the 30 numbers inside. I think that's like the 30-year anniversary for the Predator since the first released. Here's the heel. The lacing system inside is solar red with white stripe. The striking zone is right here. And then when you wear it, basically just pull the rubber band over. And here's like the other pair. The other cleats that I'll show you. I haven't had a chance to try it, but I will. And there's like a sticker tag inside. The insole is basically neon yellow. Nothing special, but I really like the combination of the cleats because of how bright the solar red and the neon yellow is, combined with the white stripe and like the blackout upper of the Predator. And yeah, that's it for my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.